Hey, this is Jesus from TEXA USA, and today we're going to be going over how to connect your Konfort machine to TEXA's mobile Konfort app. We'll start by pressing the Wi-Fi icon to the right and making sure we're connected to the Wi-Fi. Both your Konfort machine and the Konfort app on your mobile device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once complete, we can now continue to the pairing process of the device. On the mobile device, you should see your machine appear under charging stations due to being connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Konfort machine. Click on your device to start the pairing process. You should now see a downloading reports screen appear. Once complete, click on the wrench icon and then press the Pair the Device button. You will now be presented with a set of steps that will guide you to complete on your Konfort device. As steps 1 through 3 follow, press the 4-box icon to the right, then press the settings icon. Scroll down until you see the mobile app option and click Device Pairing Management. Now click on Pair New Device. As you look on your mobile device, you'll see step 4 on screen. Click the Next button. It will now ask for a 6-digit PIN to be entered. Back on your Konfort, a 6-digit code will appear. At this point, please input the number into your device. Once entered, click Pair. Once complete, press Continue. Information will begin downloading to the device. During this process, you can go back to your Konfort and rename device to whatever you want for easy reference. In this example, we'll rename ours TEXA USA. Once complete, you can press Exit on the Konfort machine. Once download's complete on your mobile device, you'll be met with a screen with a set of options. At a glance, you can press the eye icon in the bottom left corner for information about your current machine, to then pressing the next icon to see its location. The Home button will display the status of any services running. The Wrench button will let you know if the device is currently in recovery, vacuum, or charging phase. And the last tab will be any reports that may be available. Once done, you can simply press the button in the top right of the screen to disconnect the device. Press Yes to disconnect. Congratulations! You've successfully gone through the process of connecting your mobile device using the Konfort app to your TEXA Konfort machine.